Alright, today we are going to do the KFC rice dish. I'm going to use more of an Asian flavor-ish to it. I'm going to cook it in a traditional Japanese donabe pot, which is a clay pot double lid rice cooker. And I'm going to use dashi, which is a lot like chicken broth, but it's more on the fish side of the flavoring. You could obviously skip the whole traditional donabe pot side and just use electric rice cooker, and that'd be fine too. You just push button and then everything gets sort of done for you. I think today's recipe is a little bit more on the indulgent side. It's not probably as healthy as most or some recipes are, but once you kind of say you're going to do a KFC or a fried chicken rice dish, then you're already through that out the window already, because this is more of a comfort food thing, and I think you'll probably like to enjoy it. So you can probably check it out, how a donabe pot looks like. Like I said, it's a double lid system. This is the outer one, and then this is the inner one. So you have them both. You're using both lids during the rice cooking process. And as I prep the rice, you probably up the creds in terms of like washing your rice 3 times, because I think every Asian person has been taught that way to just wash out that starchiness and all that milkiness. So why don't we get started, and then we'll see how the dish comes out. So we're gonna prep the rice now. I actually used the Asian cup, so I'm gonna do 3 cups of rice. So this cup is a little bit, I guess, smaller than the traditional. It's about 3/4 cup of the American cup size. So this is what I'm always using when I'm making rice. So we're gonna rinse this 3 times, like most Asians that are taught early on. There's just so much starch in the thing. And it's actually good to acclimate the rice as well, because you let it soak for like 20 minutes, and it just takes on a whole different character. So just gonna agitate it. Right, you see how milky it's getting already in terms of what that is. So, like I said, taught early in life, rinse it 3 times. Walk away, do something else. Come back in 15-20 minutes. So here comes the 3 cups of rice that we were washed just a little bit earlier. Like I mentioned, we're going to soak the rest of the rice with some dashi during that acclimation time. Pack of dashi, and just going to dump it right into the water. Mix it all in, and it'll be part of the acclimating the rice to the water. Okay, we're gonna toss in some of that mixed vegetables now. We got drumsticks, they're pretty good size. I mean, actually they're huge, right? I think 2 of these guys will probably be enough. Toss in some of the fried chicken. I actually kind of like to cut it up just a little bit. Toss it all in. Okay, so all the ingredients are in the pot. Like I said, it's kind of basically a double lid system. So here's that top lid to the donabe. Set this on medium to high heat. And for the donabe, it's gonna cook about 15 to 17 minutes until you see some steam coming out. So if you're using an electric rice cooker, obviously you're just pushing the button, and then whenever that thing tells you that it's done, it's done. Right now. Obviously, if you're on a electric rice cooker, you're just letting that machine tell you when it's done. But this is, like I said, a little bit more old school of rice cooking. Okay, I think it's done. Now, like, chicken looks, whoo, smells pretty good there. You can see that steam coming out. So we're gonna break up chicken, mix it all together. Most of this stuff basically would just fall off the bone. Mix in all that goodness. Put some of this KFC rice into a proper bowl. You can even garnish it a little bit with some sesame seeds. Okay, we'll sprinkle a little bit on. That looks good, huh? You can use chopsticks, use whatever you like, but like I said, it's very comfort food. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And then we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.